Welcome to OfficeSource Furniture, your one-stop shop for all your business furniture needs. In this video, we will give you an inside look on the Lenox Collection. Unveil a new era of modern sophistication with the Lenox Collection tables. Crafted with a versatile and refined design, these contemporary tables are perfect for any office setting. Built to last, a sturdy steel base with a sleek black powder-coated finish ensures durability. The stylish white or black quartz tabletops with exquisite gray veining add a touch of luxury to your workspace. Engineered to seamlessly integrate with coordinating OS Laminate tabletop sizes and finishes, Lenox offers endless possibilities for customization, setting the stage for productive collaboration and inspired creativity. Whether you need a small table for intimate discussions or a larger one for collaborative or lounge spaces, you'll find the perfect table to suit your needs. For more information, visit us at officesource.com.